how you can upload TikTok video without losing quality. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So first, what you'll want to do is open up your TikTok. Now after you open your TikTok, just tap on the middle button and create a post. Now what you'll have to do is select the video and record a video. After you've recorded the video, just tap on this done icon. Now after you've tapped on next, what you'll want to do is tap on this more option that says manage upload quality. Now after you do that, scroll down till you see allow high quality uploads. Now make sure that you've toggled this button on, and after doing that, your video will be uploaded in the highest quality possible. Now just tap on post or just keep it on draft. Now after you've done that, go to profile and just go to this three icon right here on the top right, three lines icon, and you'll go to settings and privacy. Now after you are on settings and privacy, just scroll down till you see data saver. Tap on data saver and make sure that you've turned this on. And after you see data saver, make sure that you've turned data saver off. Now after doing that, all of the videos that you upload will be of the highest quality. And that is how you do it, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.